So you see, coming out of the church, this is Medjugorje in the winter. I will take my bike and look here. This is it, Medjugorje in the winter. It's awful. When it rains, it rains. I tell you, awful about the rain. I mean, you know, Medjugorje is not awful. It's beautiful, but the rain, not my cup of tea. If I'm honest. But I should get a cup of tea now because it's not nice. Try to get home as soon as possible, but I will take you around that you can see. And this is my bike. But you can have quiet time in the church. I did a video about it. And if you like the videos, also subscribe to the channel, share the videos, give a like. And you see, this is Medjugorje in the rain. Not so inviting. Better to be inside. Adoration you can do. Evening program in the church. And these are the things to do inside. On the mountains, very dangerous, slippy with the stones, very slippery. So you have to be very careful with that. And you see, this is Medjugorje in winter. Not much to do outside, but it's more an inside work, you know. And I will go on and show you a bit more Medjugorje in the rain in winter. That's what it is. That's how it looks like. And also if you come here, really have a program. A nun told me when you stay long term here, you have to have an occupation. Just sitting around in this weather can drive you crazy. I had this point, I always pray, God, you brought me here, what do you want from me? And people came up to me, one guy with a book, and I read a book. Another time a friend told to me about the Divine Will study with Luisa Picaretta. So you always, also in your life, wherever you are, stay in prayer and ask. God helps you in every way. There's Mary's Meals. Be cool, keep on going. This is Medjugorje in winter. It's raining cats and dogs. And you see not many people on the street. Hello. There we go.